Right, let's talk about the next tab. Like, I'm sorry I haven't got any actual data or extra live. I'm going to set some test accounts up, some test websites to give you some stats. But we're going to talk about websites next. So we're going to connect our website, right? It's going to walk you through connecting it. So yeah, connect your website, web assistant monitor visitor activities, embed our tracking code into your pages, and the web assistant does the rest. So basically what you're going to do is obviously put a code in like you do your Google tracking code or your little widget for your live chat box. And it's going to see who's visiting, see what they're clicking on. Are they filling up your sign up forms? Are they going to then go to get your email campaigns? Are they making a purchase? And then you go into your customer relationship management and nurturing your leads, right? So it's very easy to connect your website. Did that change then? Yeah, so here we go. So monitoring, tracking, it's going to just give it, this is just going to give us all the information I've just read out, right? Engage interested customers, get to know your leads, learn your leads' interests, view how many leads visit via campaigns you send. So if you've sent an email newsletter out, are they coming? Pop-up forms on your website, sign up for this thing or go somewhere else. Lead abandonment. So if someone's added to a cart or they've gone something, you want them to come back and finish that cart event. You've had the email where it's gone, or have you forgotten to purchase, or did you forget the last step or something? So we can see you got that far. Then segment your leads. Give your leads what they need. Segment them by their activities and target them. Right. So if somebody's, I don't know, if you've got a part of your website that's commercial and the part's residential, like if I was a security company, I'd segment and say these commercial customers go to my commercial salesman to reach out to them, and the ones that have checked out all the residential alarms, I've got a residential salesman. So I segment those leads and say these are for you, because they're looking at those pages on our site, right? So you're going to add your site in there. If I do Zickler.com, it might not let me do it. Zickler. In fact, I'll do Z1trial.com. Or it might already know it's on there somewhere. But all you're going to do is add that code, right? So all you're going to do is copy this code, or you might want to send it to your web developer and say, can you put that in the header tag so it's on every single page in my website? And then it's going to be able to track everything for you. Same with the web assistant, the web app. You want to put that in your app so that you can track what people are clicking on, where they've been. Obviously, this is just introducing. We're not going to do it, but I will show you in training how to do that.